Fantastic value for money, Range Rover Velar. P250, 250 brake horsepower, R-Dynamic SE, Corris Grey, full R-Dynamic body kit, sliding panoramic roof, £39,990. This car's 75k new. Corris Grey, and let me show you with this R-Dynamic what you get. So it transforms the look of the car. You get the inserts here, you get the bronze insert, you get the black, you get the front splitter, so you get the extra styling which transforms the look of the car. Again, you get the bronze inserts on the bonnet and on the wings there. 21-inch matte grey wheels. You can see the R-Dynamic badge there. Privacy glass on the back, and it's a bit different this because we get lots of diesels. This is the petrol engine, 250 horsepower, so it's got plenty of power, but it's the petrol, so it's a lot quieter and a little bit more for city use. Great boot space, and people sometimes think Velars are smaller than Sports. They're not. Same length, massive boot, just not as much height. You've got them beautiful handles which pop out, which just look great. Gloss black mirrors, and then again all the extras you'd want. Memory seats, Meridian sound system, full heated leather, the big one, sliding panoramic sunroof. The car's covered 49,000 miles. It's all been serviced throughout its life correctly, but I just think it looks great value. I think anything sub 40k for one of these is a lot of car for the money. You've then got all your digital touchscreen navigation with your in-control apps, your Apple CarPlay, reversing camera, and the big one, the sliding panoramic roof, cruise control, blind spot monitor assist, piano black inside. Yeah, just a great car for the money. Great car for the money. In the back as well, give you an idea of space. You can see it's got that half level with Alcantara trim, which is lovely. And I just think when you see that car now with the privacy glass, the roof open, the nice wheels, it just looks right. Different engine, so great power, great performance, but this car for me is just great value for money. £39,990, 2018, 75k new, great car.